Useful tips to manage infant and toddler's fever, cough, motion, rash, etc. Breastfeed babies up to 2 years builds up baby immune system for lifelong to fight several diseases. Fever management. Infant Panadol drops. Or Calpol infant. Alternately ibuprofen for 3 months plus. Diclofenac suppositories for instant fever and pain relief. Hydrogel patches to keep the body temperature cool. Flu and cough management. Anti-allergic like cetirizine, levocetirizine, loratadine, desiloratadine, etc. Saline nasal drops or spray. Taking steam with towel hood on. Use of honey with lukewarm water. Green tea sips. Fennel and cardamom tea. Manual nasal bulb or electric suction machine. Nasal sticks. Baby rub Vicks. Loose motion management. Osmolar Ors or Peditrol, etc. Zinc syrups. Lactose-free formula milk. Prebiotics and probiotic sachet and ampules. Mild, then common rashes. Soda cream. Petroleum jelly. Antifungal and anti-inflammatory topical ointments. Or zinc oxide pastes. Eggs, uncooked food, nuts, chocolate may also cause rashes.